Zephaniah doesn't just predict a storm, he predicts a total unmaking of the world. He begins with a terrifying divine declaration: God is going to sweep everything from the face of the earth. But then, the scale zooms in from the cosmos to the street corners of Jerusalem. Zephaniah portrays God as a cosmic investigator, walking through the city with a handheld lamp, searching for those who are stagnant in spirit and think God is too indifferent to act. The prophet warns of the day of the Lord, a day of clouds and thick darkness where the silver and gold of the wealthy become useless as distress hits the gates. He calls out the corrupt officials who act like evening wolves, leaving nothing for the morning. Yet, in a sudden, beautiful pivot, the roar of judgment turns into a melody. Zephaniah sees a remnant of the humble gathered from the wreckage. He ends the book with a startling image. The Almighty God is no longer a judge with a lamp, but a father quieting you with his love and actually singing over his people with shouts of joy.
Subscribe.